Ngiyakubingelela mfundi, ngiyakwamukela njalo kulanga le-15 ele-21 Day Ndebele Challenge. So, I want to see if you remember how to say I love this, I hate that when talking about food. NgesiNdebele, right? So, I'm giving you a quiz with 7 questions. Let's get into it and see how well you do. Number 1, I love bread. How do you say that NgesiNdebele? A, isinkwa ngiyasithanda. B, isinkwa ngiyazithanda. C, ngiyamthanda usinkwa. How do you say that? Which one is your answer? Impendulo ngu A, isinkwa ngiyasithanda. Angithi? Number 2, I hate mushrooms. Sithini ngesiNdebele? A, ngizonda ikhowa. B, ngiyalizonda ikhowa. And C, ngiyawazonda amakhowa. Impendulo ngobani? C, angithi ngiyawazonda amakhowa. When you talk about mushrooms in the plural, amakhowa. Angithi ikhowa is one, and we rarely speak about ikhowa because they normally, come in groups, come as many amakhowa. Number 3, I love maize. How would you say that in isiNdebele? A, ichakada ngiyalithanda. B, umumbu ngiyazithanda. And C, umumbu ngiyawuthanda. Sithini? C, angithi umumbu ngiyawuthanda. Right. Sesiku number 4, I love peanut butter. How would you say that in Ndebele? Is it A, amazambane ngiyawathanda? B, idobi ngiyalithanda? Or C, amazambane ngiyamathanda? Sithini? The answer is B, right? Idobi ngiyalithanda. Idobi is peanut butter. What about amazambane? Amazambane means peanuts. Okay. Right. Then 5, I hate pork. A, ngiyayizonda inyama yembuzi. B, inyama yengulube ngiyalizonda. And C, ngiyayizonda inyama yengulube. How do you talk about pork? Impendulo ngubani? Musi, ngiyayizonda inyama yengulube. When you're talking about inyama, always ngiyayizonda or ngiyayithanda, to say I love it. Right, see number 7, I love pumpkin. NgesiNdebele? A, mina ngithanda ikhabe. B, mina ngiyalithanda ithanga. And C, ngiyawathanda amathanga. Which one is I love pumpkin? B, yangithi mina ngiyalithanda ithanga. What if you wanted to say it in plural? That's when you would say ngiyawathanda amathanga, which is C. Angithi. Otherwise, impendulo ngu B. Ekugcina mfundi, number 7, I hate sample. Sithini? A, ichakada ngiyalizonda. B, isichwala ngiyasizonda. And C, ichakada ngiyasizonda. Sithini? Sithi A, ichakada ngiyalizonda. Alright, so great, that's the end of your quiz. And then, inqobe nanzi mfundi. I love bread, but I don't like sadza. Can you say that sentence in Ndebele? Can you write your answer in the comments? And can I see you in the next challenge? Sizabonana.